Alrighty, we're at the shop in town here, and yeah, think we want to get this all on a couple loads today. I'm thinking probably not, but we'll see, won't we? See the scrap yard, we can take the first load in. Yikes. Here's the first load out of the shop. I don't know if I'll be able to show the unload or not because they have somebody directing me, taking me in the back or in the yard. There's gonna be something going on back there, so I'm getting guided back, so I might not be able to film today. I guess I'm going to be able to film it. Just in a new spot and a hidden spot back in here, so I want to throw it up there wherever I can get her. Good enough. I can do that. I'm not gonna be the heaviest load I ever brought in, but it's a load. Ugh. Now I'll get right up into her. There we go. Out! It caught me boot. There we go. Oh. I missed squirrel already, but he had to go back to school. Good news is he's in grade 12, so it's his last year of school. He's my free labor. Oh. Whew, yeah. All kinds of fun stuff. Yeah. Oh well. Now, on this mess. Yay me. Huh. Guess I didn't need my clippers that I forgot. Oh. So, gets all unloaded, and then head out to the shop and put on the second load from here. Should have just enough time, I'm hoping. Oh, my goodness. Oh, head into that. Whew. Slowing down a bit. I think I'm getting old. Whew. I don't do much talking, guys, because I'm out of breath already. But this is the first time I've put a load on like this since my and done it myself. since my health went. And I'm pushing myself to see if I can do it. I think I can. Oh, that's not my famous last words. Oh, that's harder than the ears. Oh, it's just hurting. Maybe you're hurting. But we're almost through the first load. Ugh. Oh, thank goodness I got out of that one piece. All right, guys. So we're gonna put the tailgate up, go get weighed and paid, and we'll see you back at the shop. Oh. Hey guys, back at the shop. Got the shop, fridge, and the table of the shop, and that yeah, grass catcher. I might fit mine. I got it home. My snow, they hit my snow blower, my lawnmower. Grab my other one of these. Got the no, excuse me, the bottle sorting table and the 4 barrels that hold it up. The nice heavy yard table I'm saving. Brought something home to tear apart. Now, first load, pretty much cleaned this out, and I only got, he's sitting down, $31.25 for 700 pounds of shred. $9 a ton. It didn't even cover the gas to take it over. So, guess what? This stuff can stay here, because I ain't hauling for free. And she's all cleaned out. Ain't use any goods out of here. Now I will bring a load of good stuff in on Monday. This is Friday. I will take a good load of stuff in from the house on Monday. And while I'm in town, swing by here and get the most of it out of here. It's just a day only make $30, $31 on. You don't want to spend 80 bucks in gas. No, not a chance. So, we'll do this show. Oh, my goodness. We'll do this show on Monday. Because it ain't worth spending 50 bucks to haul this stuff over. If you take the gas off of 80 bucks, you get your 30 bucks. So basically, 30 bucks cost me 60 bucks to come to St. John and back. So I'm already in the whole $30. If I take this load over, it's only maybe 20 bucks. You gotta cover the gas, take it over and back, and come back here again. So I'm not even getting paid for doing it. So it ain't worth doing. Unless I'm doing something else, like coming in to take this stuff out to be cleaned if I can get back in here again. Then it's worth coming in for, if I'm already in town. And I'll just drop it off on the way home so it's not out of my way. But going out of your way for 20 bucks, a truck like that ain't worth it. So I'll leave that stuff here for now. But we did get a lot of rope, guys. Look at that. She's cleaned out pretty good. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next adventure. Well, take care. Thanks for being here. And hey, hit subscribe. It's free. Love yous. God bless. Bye. Just heading home after a long day. What a beautiful sunset on the boat. I thought it'd be nice to land on. Cheers.